I've got a 3-volt battery holder here, but it's got a 9-volt style connector. So let's see if I can take a 9-volt battery that's dead and take the connector out of that and reuse that. So we'll just take this battery connector, I'll just shorten this down a little bit. And we'll keep both ends of the battery, the bottom bit and the top bit. Oops. And snip the end off of that. Try to clean up these pads a little bit. So just give these wires a little tin. And just remember the small one's the positive, which is the one closest. So let's tin these pads. And just have both these wires coming out the same direction. Now I'll just put some tack there to make sure these wires are the same length on the other end. So now we'll just take some hot melt glue. Put a big blob there. And then carefully and stick this on without burning my fingers. Squeeze it down. Okay, so now we've got a power connector, and I could probably just cut off this excess glue.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Doctor.
Doctor who?
Cheerio.